Hey guys, my name's Nick, and on this channel, I'm gonna be reviewing some of the best activewear, athleisure shirts on the market, and then designing my own based on fit, feel, quality, and much more. All right, so here's a little bit about myself. I work out almost every day, have 2 high energy dogs that need exercise, and I mean a lot of exercise. I play some golf, play some tennis. I like going to the beach, traveling, and living an all-around active lifestyle. My goal is to create a brand that resonates with people like me, who are trying to live a balanced life, want to look and feel good, and want to be able to wear clothing that is great for before, during, and after whatever the activity. Like I said before, I'm going to try several of the best shirts on the market and put them to the test, ranking things like fit, feel, quality, design, and much more. I'm also going to do some research and scrub some reviews along the way from different sites and different brands. This will be a great way to even get more information on the industry that I didn't know before. I'll ask our community for feedback and opinions on things, encourage followers to comment on our videos and subscribe. This will be a community-born brand, so I will be giving away several of the first designs to subscribers for testing to make this the first community-designed brand. I will also take you through the process of how I plan on building the brand and community from the ground up. We want to encourage people to get outside and get active, and hopefully by building this brand, we'll be able to do some good as well. Our goal is to one day help give back and help everyone live a balanced life by donating to multiple causes and help people stay active. Again, this will be a fully community-born brand, so I encourage you to engage in the content and give us feedback, as it will really help the brand grow. Thank you for watching our first video, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe on every video to be entered in as a product tester. Live HILO.